Having trouble making outgoing calls on your OnePlus device? Don't sweat it. In today's video, I've got you covered with some simple yet effective fixes for your outgoing calls not working problem. So let's dive right in. Before we dive into the solutions, let's double check some basic settings. Make sure you're dialing the correct number. Ensure you have enough balance to make calls. Turn off airplane mode. Eject and reinsert your SIM card. Now, let's move on to the advanced solutions. Solution 1. Turn on VoLTE calls. First, open up the settings. Next, tap on Mobile Network. Select your SIM network. Find the VoLTE calls feature. Simply toggle it on. If you're still facing the same issue, let's try the next solution. Solution 2. Turn on Auto Select Carrier. Again, go to the settings. Tap on Mobile Network. Select your SIM network. Find the carrier feature. Tap on it. Turn on Auto Select. Solution 3. Check for software updates. Open Settings. Scroll down to the bottom. Tap on About Device. Select your operating system. If there is an update available, make sure to install it. Solution 4. Reset network settings. Go back to the settings. Go back to settings. Scroll down and after that, tap on additional settings. Then, scroll down again. Tap on backup and reset. Select reset phone. Tap on reset network and Bluetooth settings. Confirm by tapping reset network and Bluetooth settings again. Wait for the reset process to complete. And that's a wrap for today's troubleshooting tips. If this video helped you resolve your OnePlus outgoing calls issue, show some love by hitting the like button and subscribing for more tech solutions. Catch you in the next video!